How are you spending your time in these lockdowns? Are you using it productively? Learning new things? Creating greater connections with your family? We are applying different ideas to create a healthy environment in our home. Yesterday, we had an impromptu discussion and it was a lot of fun. Let's have a look.
Yes, it's my turn now. As we know that reproduction is very important in a living organism, and it means the production of a living one through a plant or human or any organism. And there are two types of reproduction, which is asexual and sexual. In plants there is asexual reproduction, in which only one parent is capable and one parent only goes through the reproduction process, and it is known as the parent cell, or we can also say mother cell. And the new plant or organism which is formed, it is known as the daughter cell. It can be 1, 2, 4 or so many, so those would be called daughter cells or daughter cell. Now, vegetative reproduction or vegetative propagation is one of the parts or one of the types of asexual reproduction in plants. In this, what happens that the reproduction takes place through some parts of the plants, the vegetative parts of the plants, which can be the stem, the root or the leaves. There can be example of a bryophyllum plant, which takes through the leaves. You can see some birds coming out of the leaves, and when it becomes so heavy, it falls on the ground. But the birds fall on the ground and they gave rise to the new plant. And a term is used for those modified parts which is known as the adventitious. We call it adventitious roots, like this. What is adventitious roots? What is the difference between adventitious roots and the real roots, which are also known as true roots? For example, a seed. If we'll open a seed, we'll see two parts. One would be the radical and one would be the plumule.
Like a sprout, you can say.
Yes. When it grows, the seed grows, two parts will come out. One, the upper part and the lower part. Upper part is known as the plumule and the lower part is known as the radicle. R for radical, R for roots. It is easy to remember. And the one that comes down, it is known as the radicle. It forms the roots after some time. So these are the true roots. The upper one, plumule, it forms the shoot of the plant. The leaves, the stems.
The plant will come out of that.
Yes, that is the true roots that arises.
True roots means?
True roots are the roots that come out of a seed, and those are the real roots. And adventitious roots are those that comes out from the different parts of the plant, not from the seed,
Okay.
which is from the radicle.
That can be
Like
leaves,
in-
that can be.
Like this.
Like in
It
some
is-
shrubs.
Yes.
You can see like in rose.
Yes, that
You are
small
using stem.
small part of a new plant comes, and if we cut it, then what happens? And we sow it on the ground, new plant will come. And it is not forming from the seed that we sow the seed and then a plant comes. But here we are taking a plant, cutting it
Part
and
of a
sowing,
plant.
Stem.
Part of a
sowing,
plant.
and it arises. Yes, part of a plant. Those are the adventitious parts. For example, this is turmeric. We can see a new plant is coming out of here, and these zigzag lines are the nodes. Always the bud will come out of the zigzag lines, which are known as the nodes. And between the two nodes, the space is known as internodes. They will never come out of the internodes. In the sugar canes, you will see that they are coming from the nodes, and the roots of a sugar cane will always come from the stems.
I've
Through
seen
the
it.
stem they will come.
I've seen
So they are not the real roots. They are the adventitious roots. Also with potato, what happens that after some times, if we put it in a potato, we can take in the polythene and put it in a separate area, and for 2 to 3 days we'll sometimes see a new plant is coming out of, and after some times we'll see the roots. So new plant is arise from there, and so it also happens in the sweet potatoes. Also, there is bryophyllum plant which reproduces through the leaves. What happens? I told you, the birds come and then they fall on the ground and they give a rise to the new plant. So this is how vegetative reproduction is done. Thank you. Q&A session comes now. Anybody has a problem? Yes.
Will the adventitious roots only come when the plant has grown up, or when it is small then also they can come?
No, it is not about the growth of the plant 10 years old or 1 year old. It's not like this. It is only about when the plant grows the buds. If you take a bryophyllum leaf and there are no buds and cut it and sow in the ground, no plant will come. Why? Because there are no new plants, new seeds, or the buds are not there. If you take a bryophyllum leaf and there are buds coming out with the small roots, and you sow a small part of that leaf into the ground, after some days, after watering it, you will see that new plant will come. And bryophyllum, it can grow in any kind of soil, and it's like that. It's not about the growth of the plant, like it is how many years old it is.
So if the plant is small and the root and the buds are coming, then also the new plant can grow.
It depends on the year.
It is a process, I think.
It's
a process.
like a child. It doesn't have teeth, and if we say that eat this food, will it eat? Will he or she eat? No. When the teeth would come, then only he would be able to eat. Same with the plants. When they grow buds at a certain age, then only the vegetative propagation or reproduction would be possible. Okay.
Glad.
That's my chance.
Okay. Now Avika's.
I want to ask you that why do foods in restaurants are tastier than in real life?
Because they do so many experiments and
I think because they are professional chefs. Maybe that.
No, because they have so many ingredients. Because in restaurants they need so many ingredients to test every ingredient, how is it tasting, so it can make a new food. And this may come that the food would be tastier, so they try edible glue and so many things so that the food would get tastier and we can eat it. But we don't know that they have added so many things, and what they have added edible glue. They have added glue that can be
Eaten by us.
Yeah. So then the food becomes tastier. And if we try it in real life,
We think that they have put
at
some.
home, if talking about real life, at home you're
Yeah.
talking about.
Yes.
But there is one more thing as well. At home, your primary focus is on the healthy food,
yes.
yeah.
and then it will be tasty as well. But in restaurants, if you see, their
Junk food.
their primary focus is on the taste. It is not on the healthiness.
Because many
or-
people don't know how to prepare junk
Yes,
food.
they
or
are
like
least
pizza
bothered about
and that
nutrients.
cake and all these
You
things.
just yes.
Because
they-
Also,
because for the junk food, you need so many ingredients, and if you want to make a vegetable, then you have to take a vegetable, you have to cook it, and done.
And one more thing is there, that your mind also catches the ambience. That you go to that place,
example-
and you feel you have gone to
Some
the best
restaurant, yes,
restaurants
yes.
in the
Yeah,
city,
then we-
and then
So mentally we are
you subtly, yes,
preparing-
we are prepared that
For
we will
example,
go
if we
there
see
and
a
eat.
bowl of Maggie and we see it's not good, and when we eat it, the feeling does not come like that. But if we see that Maggie is there and butter is there and some coriander leaves are there,
so it
it's
looks
so tasty.
yummy, and after
the taste
And
is
then-
added multiple times and so much taste.
And when we go outside, our mind
Mindset.
is mentally prepared that we have to eat something good, tastier than our
It
home
would be
food.
tasty.
Because in home we eat something.
The normal food.
Yeah, just
Like
the
green
vegetable.
chapati.
Just the vegetable would be changed and we have to eat it.
Now, Papa's turn!
Good. Now we'll start with why do we have rules at our house even? I want to ask you, if you had to run a country, do you have rules there?
Yeah.
Yes.
What will the duties of the people or citizens and what will be their rights? You have rules.
Rules. Yes.
And there will be a rule book of any country. There can be some countries have written rule books, some countries don't have written rule books. And that is called constitution.
Yeah.
Like we also have a
Constitution
constitution.
of
Okay?
India.
And all the people, whether that is government or that is normal citizens, they are expected to follow those rules.
Yeah.
Okay, and that is equally important for the institutions as well within the country, and that is applicable within the geographical boundaries only. It is not applicable outside the country. Similarly, in our home we must have those rules as well. Rules can be depending based upon your own condition,
Members.
number of members that you have in your family, and it can depend upon what stature you have in any society as well. Okay, like we have rules, like we must have set rules, like what will be the duties of all the members in the family, and there can be some general rules, like we will not disturb each other whenever they are doing something, and before we should have helpful nature with each other, and whenever there can be some issues in between, that should be as far as possible amicably solved. We can solve anything with discussion. We don't need to shout, we don't need to cry, or we don't need to fight with each other like that. So it's important to understand that if these rules are formed in any organization, at any home, those homes and those organizations will be running peacefully and having growth mindset. Rules also depend upon the aim of that house, that home, and that organization. If you have growth oriented organization, you will have rules of such kinds. If your main focus at home is just to keep peace, then you'll have those kind of rules.
Rules. Yes.
So, but more or less you'll have, if you'll have rules, you can form your own rules depending upon the family condition that you have. Certainly, everybody will be more responsible. They will understand their own responsibility and they will take care of feelings of other people as well. So it's important to understand that we have rules not only in our country, but we have rules at our home as well, and make sure that those rules are followed.
I have one.
Any question?
Yeah, I have one question. That who makes the rules of a country? Because the government also follows that rules, and the normal people also follow that rule.
Wow, excellent question. I'll tell you, in our country, rules or the constitution was enacted on the 26th January 1950, and there was a committee which formed those rules.
Some members were there.
Those
Committee?
were that committee was formed. Constituent Assembly.
Assembly.
And it's
B.R. Ambedkar.
yes, president was
B.R. Ambedkar.
Dr. B.R.
Dr. B.R.
Dr.
Ambedkar.
B.R.
Okay.
Ambedkar.
Yes. Now, after that, as time goes, you have to change the rules, and sometimes you have to modify them.
Modify, yes.
For that, we have two houses in the parliament. Number one is called Lok Sabha,
Lok Sabha and the Rajya
Rajya
Sabha.
Sabha.
The lower house
the
and
lower
the
house and the upper house. Okay, and there members pass the amendment bill.
Amendment bill?
Means we have
Yes,
to.
they pass the rules that these are the modifications those will required in
modify,
that
if you want to modify.
in that section of the constitution.
In the
We
parliament.
need to have those changes. If lower house passes that and the upper house also passes that, then that is
Modified and changed. You can
yes
say.
applicable.
Okay.
And in certain emergency conditions, even president
President.
can allow that modifications as well.
President
So
is.
that is one thing.
President.
Government is bound to work upon the directions of lower house and upper house. So government is not independent. Just it is not that whatever it wants it can do. No, it is not. It is answerable to the upper house and lower house.
First, the lower house, the case will go to the lower house, then it will be passed to the upper house, then it passes to the president, and he.
And then
takes
president
it.
approves that. And one more thing, even Supreme Court sometimes can
Make mistake.
make those changes.
If there is
in the
a case in Supreme Court, then it is recorded, and if the same case arises in the lower court, then same decision is to be taken by them.
Yes.
It's
Anything
it
else?
is. No.
So okay, it's treat time. Okay.
It
so
is 3 time. Thank you very
Let's have
much.
some
Laddus made by me.
laddus. Thank you.
Thank you. Home cooked sweet.
Home cooked
Thank
sweet.
you very much.
Tasty.
Healthy as well.
Healthy as well.
This was a long video for you. Hope you will get an idea about spending your time productively and positively, especially in these difficult situations. Take care. Have a nice time.